Hello guys, welcome back. And today's we'll be reacting to one Liangmai's music video, and I'm super excited for this. And yeah, this music video is the song is quite popular in Instagram Reels, so I'm very excited. And this will be my first time reacting to Liangmai's music video, as well as my first time watching Liang Mei songs. Yeah, so I'm super excited, and yeah, let's get started. So the title of the song is Nangleng Nangleng official music video, Liang Mei high school love story. So yeah, I don't know a single words of Liang Mei, but still, yeah, music has no boundaries. So yeah, why not we just dive in the music and then just enjoy, right? So, and yeah, dear young my brothers and sisters, if you happen to watch this video, please do suggest me any other music video so that I can react onto that again. And yeah, please do subscribe, like, and share with your friends and your families. And yeah, let's get started. So yeah, before we get into that, first let's use the headphone. Malum Entertainment, Nangleng Nangleng High School Love Story begins here. Okay. The actress looks like one of the Manipuri actress. She is quite popular in Aigi Miss Nungsi, this actress somehow look alike with that actress. Produced by and directed by Malum. Okay, I'm enjoying the beat. It just okay. Squash, Choo. You know what choo means? If you know a guy, a kid's dad who has obsessed with choo, his luck is always on choo. Yeah, so Gabriel, I'm talking about Gabriel. They're good actors. Okay. Well done to the choreographer. He or she did a very good job. Okay, finally, he got a punishment. Director of this Malone Chawang, cast Vivi Pamay, Akung Chawang. Okay, the actor and the singer is the same person. So yeah, bro, you're doing a good job. Like you act very well. Plus, your voice is good and the song is amazing. Music and recording in the studio Kangatunbi. Cinematography and editing Sam Dai Mai. So that's the end of my reaction video. So guys, how is it? I enjoy it. I do enjoy it. And yeah, this is my first time reacting to Liangmai's music and first time hearing a song from Liangmai, so it was quite impressive. I would like to react to other songs as well, so please do suggest any songs so that I can react into. And yeah, please do like this video and share with your friends, and yeah, see you guys on the next video.